In this video, we will be adding attacking functionality for the player. Giving the player the ability to attack will make the game more interesting and exciting. Let's go ahead and implement the attack functionality. I have a player here. I have attached the player attack script in the player game object. I have attached the animator component to the player game object child. The animator component handles animation. It has different properties like controller, avatar, etc. Right now I have two animation for the player. One is idle animation, another is attack. Idle is default animation and attack play when you trigger it. I also attached the player animation event script here. Inside player attack script, I have some variables. In the update function, if the left mouse button is pressed, then the attack animation will trigger. Inside the detect hit function, physics overlay sphere, if anything collides with related to the target layer, that will be stored in hit array. If the hit array length is greater than 0, then get the health component and take damage. And last, instantiate the hit effect on hit object. Inside the gizmo function, I draw a sphere gizmo at the hit point of the weapon. The detect hit function is called from the player animation event script. Inside player animation event script, get player attack script, and then in attack function, call player attack dot detect hit. The attack function is called from attack animation. I have some target game object here. Inside I attached health script. In health script, I have one int variable named health. In the take damage function, health will be decreased after every damage, and if health is less than or equal to 0, then destroy the game object. In player attack variables, for weapon hit radius, I put 0.6. I assign weapon hit point. For damage, I assign 2. I assign hit effect. Target layer is target. For create layer, go to layer, then add a layer. For the animator, assign player animator. Now you can see that player is attacking and destroying game object. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.